Hello, welcome to my second part of embossing on black cardstock. I am using Recollections Glacier embossing powder, my Versamark, and my mandala stamp. I'm going to make sure that I get plenty of good coverage with the Versamark. Line it up, stamp where I want. So I make sure I get very good adhesion so the embossing powder will stick. Just double check. As you can see where the glue is stuck down. Again, I'm using Recollections Glacier embossing powder. I keep thinking I'm showing it to the camera properly, but unfortunately I didn't. Sorry. And I just spoon it on to where I stamped my Versamark. Getting good coverage. Make sure I'm putting enough on. Now I'm going to tap it to lightly get off the embossing powder that's not sticking or that I don't want stuck. I go in with my little tiny paintbrush and I remove the embossing powder where I don't want it, because if I leave it there, it will be embossed. So I just go gently in with my little paintbrush. Now I'm going to use my, my heat gun to set the embossing powder. And I'm really loving the contrast with the blue and the black and the white. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. It's a bit messy, but that's okay. Thanks for watching.